Students, today we will study qualitative analysis, that is detection of two cations or basic radicals. See, this experiment will come for 10 marks. So different groups are there, group 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we'll see the test now, how to perform this. Mixture, this is our given mixture. See the color, it's a green whitish color. Whatever color is observed, you will write down. And nature means we have to check with test tube. Take a test tube and add water so that you will see the whether it is water soluble or not, that you will come to know. So I will take small quantity of salt. See, all salts given to you are water soluble. So water soluble is, they are crystalline. तो आपको वो लिखना है crystalline है. So it is a soluble. When you will add water, it will get soluble. So preliminary test में color लिखना है, nature लिखना है. Then we will move to next test, that is heating in a dry test tube. एक मिनट. Heating in a dry test tube, this test we have to do. So for this test, our test tube should be dry. So first what we will do, we will heat the test tube so that it will become dry. पूर्ण टेस्ट ट्यूब आपकी पूरी टेस्ट ट्यूब जो है वो ड्राई होनी चाहिए. थोड़ा सा आपको हीट करना है सो दैट मॉइस्चर विल गो आउट. एंड वेन एवर वी आर हीटिंग, डोंट हीट कॉन्स्टेंटली. ऐसे बहुत देर तक पकड़ के नहीं रखना है टेस्ट ट्यूब को बर्नर के ऊपर. सो यू विल रिमूव इन बिटवीन because the apparatus are made up of glass, they may break immediately. So we will use another test tube because it is showing initially current. Even you can wipe with a filter paper, but still we have to heat it for few seconds. Now I am making the test tube dry, and test is we have to heat the mixture. This is our given mixture. This we have to take a small quantity of mixture and heat it, and we will see the observation. Take a small quantity of mixture in a test tube and heat it for few minutes, and you have to observe the changes, which color gas is evolved, if any cracking noise is there, and don't heat continuously. See, some cracking noise is also coming. So 2-3 observations you can write here, whatever observations you are getting. Colored residue is there. See, the possible observations are sublimation of white sublimation is formed. See the test tube carefully. See this one. This test tube is clean. Over here some sublimation is there. This sublimation is due to presence of ammonia or ammonium salt is there. That's why it is going to show sublimation. And this is called as residue, and it is a colored residue. So our observations for heating in a dry test tube is formation of white sublimation and colored residue. Okay. So this one test is over. We will move to next test. Next test is charcoal cavity test. See, this is the charcoal which we are going to use. It is earlierly used earlier. So we will clean that cavity. See this it is a cavity cleaned one. In this cavity we have to fill the mixture of our given mixture. Okay, our given mixture I have taken in one proportion, and this is sodium carbonate and our mixture. This is we have to combine with the ratio of 1:2. Our mixture is 1 part and double of that sodium carbonate we have to take. So mix it thoroughly, and this mixture we have to fill in the charcoal cavity. Don't take our mixture only, you have to add this mix with sodium carbonate. This test you have to observe carefully. See, this is called as filling of salt in a charcoal cavity. And after this we will add 1 drop of water so that it will get mixed properly. So I will add 1 drop of water, 1 or 2. Okay, it's it then. So you will hold this charcoal either with a pair of tongs or you can use test tube holder, and see the procedure how I will follow. And we have to heat this on a yellow flame or reducing flame. Heat this using blow pipe. This is a blow pipe, and see the procedure how I am doing. You will follow the same thing. आता घ्यायची एकदम. हे पूर्ण येते ना, हे पण दिसतंय ना. So in this way you have to do. See the observation on the charcoal. See, it is a colored residue. ये आपको कलर दिख रहा है, थोडंसं उजेडात या, आपण तिकडे घेऊया. बस 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 कुठे येते? हाँ वर क्या ना. हाँ, ये देखो, ये जो है ये कलर्ड रेसिड्यू है. वाइट कलर से अलग है, ये कलर्ड रेसिड्यू है. सो ऑब्जर्वेशन इज कलर्ड रेसिड्यू. Now next test we will do, that is NaOH test. So here we will come to know whether ammonium is present or not. We will take a salt. Have to check the smell of ammonia gas after heating. You know the smell of ammonia gas, जो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता, बहुत गंदा आता है. That is the presence of ammonium salt. हीट करना है, then you will smell the. This is the presence of ammonia gas. चालू है ना? चालू है, चालू. So this test we have done. Now next test is flame test. See, this test is very interesting. You will come to know that which radical is given along with ammonium salt. So this test we will perform with the help of concentrated HCl. This test can be performed with the platinum blue. Even we can perform this with the use of glass rod. येते ना थोड़ी जवळ. See, in this test tube I have taken concentrated HCl. Just dip the glass rod in concentrated HCl, and this glass rod is touched with the mixture. Just touch the mixture and heat it on a blue flame and observe the color change of blue flame. देखो अभी ये blue flame है, अभी change हो रहा है देखो. So this color is change in color आपको note down करना है. Okay. So in this way we have to do the flame test.